So welcome to the Earthling EDC channel. My name is Phil, and on this channel we talk about urban EDC related items. Today's going to be a little bit different from our normal shows. What we're going to have today is me talking about my take on EDC as opposed to, not opposed to, more like there's a lot of other interpretations of what EDC is. There's a lot of people who collect EDC related items. There's a lot of people who have survival kits. There's a lot of people who have wilderness type kits that are built up. And I come from a kind of a different take on this. I've been doing EDC since I was, oh gosh, I think I was 12 years old when I started doing this. I remember in the Boy Scouts, we went and we were given empty tuna fish cans. Actually, we were told to bring tuna fish cans like this one. And basically we're going to build them out and add a little strap to them and then put them on our belts or on our backpack or in our backpack. And you would load this up as a survival tin. So you'd have a fire starter in here, you'd have fishing gear, you'd have I think I put bouillon cubes in here too to kind of make things taste better after you caught them. Maybe some salt and pepper, a few other things in here, aluminum foil. I remember this building these out and being so amazed that I could get all this stuff into this tiny little tin. And that was back in the 70s, I think 76, 75, somewhere in there. So yeah, I've been doing this kind of stuff for a while. So these new versions that we're doing now are quite a bit more complex. So now we're creating these are pocket racks. So these are 3D printed, computerized STL files, create them. It's gone way beyond the tuna fish can. So these are what we've done. You can download one of these for free if you're interested. Take a look in the description for this video if you like information on how to make these. But you can get them pretty much printed almost every place now. You just take them in the little STL file. Again, you can get it for free here. But there's a very specific reason why I start doing the EDC stuff now over the past year and a half, and what this channel is all about. So this channel is primarily designed for building out mini kits, little EDC kits like this one. So this kit is designed to have a bunch of highly functional tools that are organized into the kit that do a lot of things for you. So in this kit I've got built out, I've got some driver sets in here. I've got a mini driver built in here from 711L. Steinway bits are in here. So this is a little bit set that's built in here. I've got a nice little driver that's built onto this next tool. This is an E1. This is a fairly new tool that they've come out with. It's pretty impressive how it works, and I can integrate this with this tool. I've got some other ideas too for integration with this. This has two different types of holders. There's a holder on here for a craft blade. There's a holder on here for flat bit drivers, and you can utilize those for other purposes as well, which I find pretty interesting. So I'm kind of playing around with this design. This is a new card too. It's got some new things on the back. So I'm just pointing these out because things are getting a lot more sophisticated now as far as EDC goes. But the purpose of these kits that we're building out on this channel is to create these highly efficient, lightweight, small packs that you can carry with you. Now, if you're carrying something with you, not necessarily in your pocket, but let's say in a backpack or in a waist bag or on a belt clip, and you've got this thing with you, or available within arm's reach, or you can walk down the hall and grab it very quickly, you can do a lot of stuff here. If it's close by, it's not bulky, it's something that you can have nearby you, you can take care of any problems that you're having, that your neighbors are having, that your friends are having, or even a stranger on the street who maybe you come out of the Walmart parking lot and into the Walmart parking lot, and there's a guy there right next to you who's having problems with his battery. He doesn't have the tools with him. You can pull this thing out and help him reconnect his battery cable if you want to. But that's just being a good citizen, to be able to do stuff like that, to be able to have the ability and the tools with you to help resolve other people's problems, not just your own, is a good thing to do. It's a very Boy Scoutish thing, but it's a good thing to do. So that's where I come from on this whole EDC. All the stuff, all the kits that we're building out are kind of based on that philosophy. They're designed for urban EDC. They're not really survival kits. You could use some of the concepts here for survival kits, for building out survival kits, and that would be great. I've seen some really interesting designs that have come out. There's all kinds of iterations, different iterations on these pocket racks too. So now people have customized these to do a lot of different things. I've seen one they've taken almost the Swiss Army, what do you call it, card, that little card that they make out, and they've actually built it out to work with that card set, so you can take the tools from that card set and put it into one of these pocket racks if you like. They have compartments now. They've done all sorts of things. So again, I'll put a link in the description for this video for you to take a look at that stuff. But the whole idea here is working on the technology and stuff that's involved here, but having that philosophy in the back of your mind too, that the stuff we're doing on this channel is specifically to fix things, to make things easier for people around you, to make things easier for yourself, to get things repaired. And I've had some pushback too on some of these tools that I've introduced and shown that they're not going to work. There's no possible way, Phil, that you can say those things are going to work and fix the things that you say they're going to fix. And I'm telling you, over the past year and a half, I've been using these things to fix my personal, the clothes dryer, the washing machine, the dishwasher. I've stripped down. I take these things completely apart with the tools that I've got in these sets. So they work. They really do. And being able to have maybe hundreds of people around the country all walking around with these things and capable of helping other people on things, it just makes things better for everybody, for yourself and for your family and for the people around you. If you're capable of fixing something like this with these tools, it's a pretty cool thing. So that's all. Just a simple little rundown of what I think this channel is about, and I appreciate your feedback if you have some comments on this. And thanks for stopping by. If you like this kind of content and you have taken a look at our other videos too and you like that content, if you want to subscribe, that'd be fantastic. Hope to see you again. Take care.